A lot of people think the Temu Free Gift is pure luck, like sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That's not true. After testing this myself, I realized the free gift isn't random at all. It comes down to one single step that most people skip. Before I explain it, I've put the working Temu Free Gift code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes Temu is running right now. Now here's the mistake. Most people open Temu and start scrolling immediately. When you do that, Temu treats you like a normal shopper. No free gift event, no progress bar, nothing. The free gift only activates after you enter through the correct page. Here's the right way. Step 1. Click the first link in the description. This step is important. Without the link, the free gift won't trigger. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Step 2. Scan the QR code with your phone to activate the free gift event. If you're on desktop and can't scan, no problem. You'll also see a code you can enter manually to activate the same offer. Once that's done, you'll notice a progress bar appear inside the app. That bar is the key. Temu is basically saying, complete a few simple actions and we'll unlock your gift. Browse a category, tap a deal, check a product. Nothing complicated. As you do those steps, the bar fills up. Once it hits 100%, the free item you selected unlocks and ships. Yes, real item, real delivery. So no, the Temu Free Gift isn't luck. You just have to activate it the right way. Click the link, follow the steps, and try it yourself. And if you end up unlocking something, comment what you got. I like seeing when it finally works.